Hi students, warm greetings to you all. I am your maths mentor Valli. In this video we are going to see exercise 3.1 fifth sum. There are 12 pieces of 5, 10 and 20 rupee currencies whose total value is rupees 105. But when first two sorts are interchanged in their numbers, its value will be increased by rupees 20. Find the number of currencies in each sort. Okay, let the number of rupees 5 currencies be X. Likewise, let the number of rupees 10 currencies be Y. Let the number of rupees 20 currencies be Z. Now we have to frame the equations according to the given conditions. So according to the first condition, now if we add all these values, there are 12 pieces. That means X plus Y plus Z equal to 12. So first condition, there are 12 pieces of 5, 10 and 20 rupees currencies. So X plus Y plus Z equal to 12. Now second condition. Second condition states that their currencies whose total value is 105. So there are X number of currencies for 5 rupees coin. So 5X. And Y number of 10 rupees coins. So 10Y. And Z number of 20 rupees coins. That is 20Z. Their value is 105. So total value is given as 105. Have this as second equation. Now we can simplify by dividing all the terms by 5. So X plus 2Y plus 4Z equal to 21. Have this as second equation. Now third condition. Now by third condition, it is given that when first two sorts are interchanged. So here Y number of 5 rupees coin and X number of 10 rupees coin. Y number of 5 rupees coin, X number of 10 rupees coin. So 10X plus 5Y. If they are interchanged, their numbers, but the rupees 20 currencies number is not changed. So have that as 20Z as such. Is interchanged, then the value will be increased by 20. Already the total value is 105. It will be increased by 20. So that is 125. Now divide by 5. So 2X plus Y plus 4Z equal to 25. Have this as third equation. Now solving these three equations, we can get the value of X, Y, Z. Solving 1 and 2. Now here the coefficient of Y is plus 1. Here also plus 1. Now X plus Y plus Z equal to 12. 2X plus Y plus 4Z equal to 25. Since signs are same, we have to subtract one equation from the other. Now change the sign. Now Y minus Y get cancelled. X minus 2X minus X. Z minus 4Z minus 3Z equal to 12 25, we have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number and put the sign of the bigger number. So 25 minus 12 minus 13. All the terms are in negative sign. We can make it into positive sign. X plus 3z equal to 13. Have this as fourth equation. Now from second equation and third equation, we have to eliminate y. Here the coefficient of y is 2, here 1. So multiply the third equation by 2. Each and every term must be multiplied by 2. So 4x plus 2y plus 8z equal to 50. Now have the second equation as such. So x plus 2y plus 4z equal to 21. Now signs are same, so we have to subtract. So have this as fifth equation. So subtract the second equation from the fifth equation. Change the sign of each and every term. So 2y minus 2y get cancelled. 4x minus x, 3x. 8z minus 4z plus 4z, that is equal to 50 minus 21, 29. Have this as sixth equation. Now here we have to solve this 4 and sixth equation. Now here the coefficient of x is 1, here coefficient of x is 3. Now multiply the fourth equation by 3. So 3x plus 9z equal to 13 into 3, 39. Have this as seventh equation. Have the sixth equation as such. So 3x plus 4z equal to 29. Now signs are same. So subtract the sixth equation from seventh equation. Change the sign. 3x minus 3x get cancelled. 9z minus 4z, 5z, that is equal to 39 minus 29, 10. So 5z equal to 10 implies z equal to 10 by 5, that is equal to 2. Now substituting z equal to 2 in fourth equation. So x plus 3 into 2 equal to 13. So x equal to 13 minus 6. So x equal to 7. Now substituting x equal to 7, z equal to 2 in first equation. So that is 7 plus y plus 2 equal to 12. So y equal to 12 minus 9. So y equal to 3. Now therefore number of currencies in rupees 5 is, we have assumed that as x, so x value is 7. Likewise, number of currencies in rupees 10 is y value is 3. Number of currencies in rupees 20 is z value is 2.